Hello everyone. Welcome to Abipravi. In this video we are going to teach you how to create email slicing in Python. Before getting into the video, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe. First create variable called email to get the email address. After that slice a email address, the word before @ symbol are treated as username. And the letters after @ symbol are treated as domain name. So, let's create a variable called username and slice the username from email. And then, create another variable called domain and slice the domain name from email address. After that create print function to print the spliced username and domain name from email address. Now save the file. Run python email_slicer.py. I am enter the email as abipravi@gmail.com. Now the email is spliced and the output is produced. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, give like. Any queries, comment. Before getting into the video, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe.